Hi everybody. Today is Friday, May 19th, 2023. It is 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I am going to pick up where we left off with another refreshing site search. So last time I did Bamboo, Gusto, Greenhouse, and UltiPro. This time I'm going to just refresh these really quick. It'll just show you, even though I did that a few days ago, the search is still open, my tabs. Can refresh it and now I'll see new results. So you can still run these same searches again. Well, this one doesn't have anything new at Gusto. New results, maybe not that different, but it will help if you run out of places to apply to. So I have this little clipboard here, little tool. This is built by one of the main maintainers of React Native, Jamin Holmgren, and he has a great Twitter account, so I highly recommend you give him a follow if you're not already. So this search I'm doing, iSIMS. Did I already do iSIMS last time? Can't remember if that was one of the ones that I said. But you can search the entire iSIMS subdomain of different companies. So this is Origami Risk, Applied Systems. Let's see. This is a community article. It'll also turn up some stuff that we're not really interested in. Training, interview questions. So, okay, maybe we've reached the end of there. Oh, here we go. Health Equity. Sounds like a company. And All Native Group. So there are some entities that are customers of iSIMS, and they have their own subdomains. So by using the site prefix, just to review, you can search all of these. We see some of these jobs that are available here if you type in React Native. So for example, let me click on this, Applied Systems. They're looking for Canada or US React Native developers. Where you at? Let me know in the comments if you find anything interesting by using the site prefix in your search. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. So here's the ask. Xamarin, Agile experience. Lots of good details you can find out about the benefits. And you can also, I believe, visit the company page. Let's see here. Oh, maybe. Yeah, you can visit the company page. Wonderful. And I would highly recommend doing that before you apply to the job. Definitely check out the company page. See like what's on there. Do they have a news feed? They have a blog, yes, right here. So you'd want to see what are they working on. Employee benefits data. They are touting that they were named a leader in something. So I would definitely mention that. That's something they're proud of. You would want to read about that. And looks like they're in insurance industry, insurance agency management software. So definitely you want to read about the company before you apply to the job and see if it's something that's interesting to you. If it doesn't really matter to you and you're just scrambling to try to find something, even then, you still need to read about the company before you apply, because you'll want to write a cover letter. And let me know in the comments your thoughts on cover letters. I know that can sometimes be controversial. I am a strong proponent of cover letters because I spend, maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes on each job description, job application. You don't want to spend any more than like 40, 45 minutes to an hour if you're really job hunting, because that can be quite a time suck. If you do 5 applications, that's 5 hours. Not to say that you don't want to, if you're targeting a specific company, you don't want to, hone your approach and spend a lot of time crafting it. That is definitely good. But you want to be balanced about it if you're really searching hard. If you're comfy and where you're currently working and you're not really in a rush to get a new job, sure, really dig and research the company hard, really look deep into them, maybe reach out to some of their employees on LinkedIn and look at their careers page and find out about something interesting about the company. And the reason why you want to do this and put it in a cover letter is because it makes you stand out. It's because most people don't bother. So you want to stand out. Be a little extra. Okay, so that is iSIMS. Let's see on my clipboard anything else here. Oh, while I'm doing React Native, just decided to do React Native, so you can of course search for whatever you like. Why did I use Swiss cows before? I don't even remember. Let's change this to Python. And I'll make this a little bigger for you visually challenged folks such as myself. So there are some Python related roles on the Breezy subdomains. So this company is called Mate Academy, MedTech Startup. Here is some interesting results that you can come up with that you're not necessarily looking for. Interview questions to help you hire, so you can kind of preview like, what might I be asked on an interview? So this is listed by type. Okay, let's see if we have any law enforcement, care, pharma. Oh, here we go. Computing and IT. So let's say you are a front-end web developer. Wow, this is actually not bad. I like this a lot, so I think I'm going to share this in my community, this link, and you guys have seen it. So good job you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you've been asked any of these questions before. Wow. Oh yes, I've been asked about bubbling and I fumbled it. Interesting. Nice. So yeah, please go ahead and go through some of these. It's a very interesting, nice little side detour on your job search, which I'm gonna paste that there in my text box for later. You want to go back on track. Let's see another job description. Abu Dhabi. Let's see the second page. Oh, Python developer interview questions. Nice. Let's see, data integration, engineer at Dream Hub. Let's just click a random one. Okay, wow, this turns out to be in India. So now you might want to filter some of your job search results. And seems like well, thank you for your interest in Stream Hub. Yeah, you'll want to make sure that the location is something that's going to work for you. Never know. Could be that it is remote eligible, but you know, the pay might not scale with your country that you live in, but you still might want to check them out. And you can also use this handy button to see their other job openings. See if they're all, see they have other jobs in other countries as well. Lisbon, London, Tokyo. So that's another little trick there you can use to get more job openings. Let's see the last one. Lever. Lever is a big one. Lever is going to be a site domain that you'll want to search on the regular, along with Greenhouse. See, we get a lot of subdomains: Cardless, PerPay, Regrow, Strider, I don't know what, Ply Labs Inc., Purvis, some weird names here, B Talents. So, and you get a few pages of results here, and no blog posts in there, notice. So you'll want to click through these. I'll maybe save that for next time because I've got to run. But I did also want to share one other site that I came across called Himalayas. They're not sponsoring this video. I just came across this and I thought I would share it. They have a lot of remote jobs. So you can type in or select a specialty and then select your country from this list, and you can, you know, find some nice remote roles. And there's a bunch of them. They look pretty fresh here too. 16 hours, 17 hours ago. So it's not bad. There's quite a few. And show them some love. If you do click on an apply button, let the company know that you found the job on the Himalayas website. That apply button is going to take you away from their site, but there should be, if we look here, yep, Himalayas. There's a link, information that will let anyone who's tracking the analytics for Sticker Mule's job page, they'll let them know where this candidate lead came from. But you can also be nice if there's a spot on the application form to mention it. How did you hear about us? And you would just type Himalayas.app. Just be kind, you know, pass it along. Let some other hustling folks out there get some nice kudos and hopefully some revenue so that they can keep bringing you those nice job postings. Well, it's been real nice talking to y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.